It's time for little Cappuccino to reach the top. Take me up, trampoline. Only smooth stone?
What do you expect from these kids? Leave it to me. I'm already a professional dancer. Netherite and diamond!
I may be a baby, but I'm still an elephant. Heavier than Berber Adam's feet. And I can go super high. Iron.
Grown elephant here. Get out of the way. I'm about to cause an earthquake with my jump. Watch me go way up and just missed one.
You think it's all about weight? Check out my ninja-worthy agility. Straight to goal.
You're still young, so learn from the elders, and darn, I forgot to bend my knees. So unlucky.
A young stylish shark with sneakers? This one's a walk in the fin for me. My third leg just gets in the way.
You haven't even lost your 3,000 baby teeth.
Move aside and